Precise cuts allow switches and wiring to align perfectly within the surface. After fixing wooden trims, an LED strip is added in the gap to produce a warm, linear glow. The hidden light blends smoothly into the design, giving the wall a refined and futuristic look. This technique is widely used in interior decoration to add both brightness and style, improving the atmosphere without visible fixtures. Clean craftsmanship and detailed alignment make the final result elegant and professional.